miss my existence. But to be serious, I'm thankful for my family, for the protection of God, of course.
Lord, thank you for the love and grace you've shown us, and all the knowledge and faith you've given us.
I will be reading from 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 11 through 12. You will be enriched in every way for your great generosity, which will produce thanksgiving to God through us. For the rendering of this ministry not only supplies the needs of the saints, but overflows with many thanksgivings to God.
What this verse means. So as he said, it's Thanksgiving, which means they're giving thanks to God. Like, for all the things he has done. Like, think of all the things he has done. If you can look it down in your heart, you know, even though you might think in your head, it's just a coincidence that we were created. But it was God who did that. He created heaven, earth, us, other people. He created anything, everything. We must give thanks to Lord for everything he has done for us. He is the King of Kings, the Father of all fathers. He is our Holy Father. He will give the world peace. He can do many things that might seem impossible. We can do things that might seem impossible, but with God's help, we can accomplish the impossible.
Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And excuse me while I go eat some turkey. Bye.